We're live.
Okay, finally, let me share with you just for 2 minutes about how the finances work on a habitat build, a habitat project. You wouldn't believe how many people in the community still think that we give houses away for free. Far from it. I told you in the previous video how our habitat families have to put in a minimum of 300 hours of sweat equity on their house. If there's someone 18 years or older that's going to live in the house, that adds an additional 100 hours of sweat equity. Now, when it comes time for the family to actually purchase the house, Habitat provides the mortgage, albeit it's at 0% interest mortgage. So that's how we make it affordable. An average monthly payment for a Habitat house is about $450 to $500 per month. Very affordable. We also build a very energy efficient house. So we could see utility payments, $120 a month, $130 a month or less. So that's affordable, but it's not for free. Now what we do is we go out and we ask groups to sponsor each house at $60,000 per sponsorship. Now the house costs more than that to build, but that's what we ask groups of churches, businesses, individuals to help us raise $60,000 per house. Habitat goes out and we ask for grants, we look for other ways, we apply restore profits to the build, we make up the rest of the cost. But the $60,000 is where we're asking you and your church or business to come alongside us. We don't want you to be overwhelmed with the figure of $60,000. That's not all coming from one source. Usually it's a group coming together, a group of churches, a group of businesses. Occasionally we'll have someone be able to sponsor a whole house, but those are few and far between. But we take those resources to help build the house. We use as much volunteer labor as possible to keep the costs down. And we hold the mortgage. Those mortgage payments come to Habitat. And we take those payments, the principal, and we reinvest that each year into building more Habitat houses. It works. It's sustainable. So we have mortgage payments, restore profits, and that's for another video. I'll tell you how the restore works. But we have donations from the community, from churches, from individuals, from corporations. We put that all together, and that's how we make these houses come together. That's how we help families. And then they get a real good feeling when they know that they write out that mortgage check every month and they're helping people coming behind them going through the same program. So that's in a nutshell, that's how the finances work on a Habitat build, and we just would love to see you participate. Many people doing a small amount can make some big things happen. Thanks for listening.